What's up, guys? aka Crazy Russian with you this evening. Broadcast didn't start really properly, but now it looks like okay. So, part 2 on Bowser, that small switcher, sound decoder installation, and top camera. Bam. Bam, 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 bam. So, this is like plug and play. Yes, it's almost like plug and play, and I'll show you why it's almost plug and play. So hey Steve, my man, wow. What's up, man? Just FYI, an English channel. All right, I have my kid DCCTRAIN, that's in Russian, so but welcome, of course. So let's get rid of the front camera because I'm turning my head here, and that's why I'm telling you guys. Yeah, it's yes, it's 99% plug and play, but 1% for this. So what I did, I did on purpose, because I'll rename that video after, because it's a lot of confusion always. So hey Dave, BNSF, what's up? Solo contracting, my man, how you guys doing? I will read all your questions. If specifically for this installation, I'll read it right away, but I just want to keep it quick. So why it's not plug and play? Because if you're taking 21 pin decoder, you theoretically you can snap those two wires, because if they cross it will be short and there is no recovery, because this is from amplifier, sound amplifier. All right, and I'm not gonna snip it just with my cutters. I'm going to unsolder them very carefully. So what I did, I tested maybe through weekend, back and forth, you know, running back and forth. It's still I plugged it to that ESU tester, and I have Zimo tester. Okay, and actually I have an idea for you later. So works fine so far, no problem. And also I'm start using the other cameras, Monster View. I'll show you in a second. Side camera, boom. That's pretty cool. So those wires I'm going to unsolder, and I think I tried to set it up so you can see this, like this view when I'm soldering as well. Just need a couple of tripods. That's our speaker. Let's turn back camera to top. So that's the speaker, Bowser speaker. Fits perfectly here, whatever chassis. And I just want to unsolder it first. Yep, perfectly fits here. That's what we're going to do. Pretty much put everything together and put the shells back and a call a day. Then I'll reprogram it and we'll test it in the next video. How about that? Even this soldering, I'm using flux. See, I replaced my nice kind of stopper of that extra stuff. Okay, nice close up. Yes, man, I like it myself too. Thank you. Keep your area, guys. Again, it's like not for it's not really for beginners. If you're beginner and starting it right, then you will have more fun. And I believe me, I saw guys doing this for years. You know, I'm doing this for living pretty much. Theoretically, you can put like extra support, like third arm, but that's okay. For me, it's not a big deal. So I can hold it like that and just quickly desolder it. Yeah, close up, and we'll look at that close up, how it looks like now. All right, my soldering gun is Weller with that type of gun for precision, especially. Yeah, I can solder pretty much any element in that decoder as well. So let's go show you side camera. Yeah, so here. On the other side, here, I just nicely desolder those wires. Okay. Yeah, plug looks like monster plug. Speaker also, monster speaker. Here we go. So now, plug and play. Time for really plug and play. I'm thinking I'll put the decoder first, then just test the address after everything assembled. This is like Sound version 4. They're still great, you know. You're probably not gonna hear any big difference, you know, because the sound files is still the same. So what I'm doing, I'm very carefully, slowly plugging in everything here. Oh, sorry. Huh. Top camera. Oops. Yes. So I just plug it in here. Let's do it again. Sorry about that. I need to check the monitor very often. Right. So actually, good call. If something going on, you're not comfortable, you know, to do it, you need to make like tool like this. This is like just a chopstick. Every time I'm doing my installation videos, guys, I'm showing you this. Just and not metal screwdriver. No, that can be danger. And static also can go through between those pins and destroy the decoder still, even in 21st century. Static, especially winter time coming. Right, so as I said, I'll start with the decoder first, just carefully plugging in. That's it. Okay. And I cannot wait to use decoder body. Not using those JST type stuff. Decoder body. Bam. I got box from the manufacturer. Right, so we're good. Now speaker. Speaker goes this way, and I will probably use some Kapton tape on top. So yeah, let's fix the I'm sorry, that's my box with the stuff. All right. Keep it like in a nice big box. You can see everything easy. And actually recording your installation processes is guys help you just see mistakes, or maybe, you know, recover some stuff. It helped me a lot. Those web cameras cost like very inexpensive right now. It's good. This is good one. This is like Logitech 920 old, but they just remodel, means redid firmware on it, I think, and software, and it works great. That's the problem always with all those Chinese manufacturers. It looks like tiny little bitty head, but inside it's not like standard or something, I'm telling you. Yeah, means this is works the best. Now, yeah, we're good here. Now this plug, again, because it's Bowser speaker, going to the Bowser. Be careful with this, because when it's you plugging in, if you need to unplug, you need to very carefully. It might pop up with the bottom socket also. Believe it or not, yes, happened with me. So cable management is okay. See, theoretically, they even make like they cut it here, small cut, okay, and they put some hole here as well. Let's do monster camera, monster view. Let's see if it's working. I just don't want to forget the side camera. Boom. Yeah, perfect. So that's what I'm trying to say, but that's the one kind of cut in the board, right? Right here. That's wire on the way. That's one, and this is cut on like supporting plastic thingy, like supporting for the motor. Yeah, right there. But the wires just sitting. They're not secure. Like it's supposed to be something like this, right? And wires very stiff. Man, wires like crazy. So how to do it? I'm thinking maybe I can stick the rest. Oops, again, I'm wrong camera. If I stick, actually move that, stick like a couple of wires, like those two wires, like under here, bypass sort of kind of this way, okay, but boy, they're really stiff. Yeah, that's maybe working, but not really. No way. So what I'm thinking, just with Kapton tape over, like in diagonal, sort of like this way, or yeah, that's what I'm saying. I don't know what designer think about it. Like they put extra step on the board to make I'm not complaining, guys. I'm just like, what's the point? You know, that's it's supposed to be, right? So those wires supposed to be secure here. It's hard to see, yeah, but that's only one way to do it. Anyway, I don't know what is this, some kind of sticky. Maybe I should get rid of it. Oh my goodness. Oi oi oi. I don't like it already. That one of the contact, if it touched the motor here, that's short, like immediately. Oh my goodness. No, yeah, well, I'll get rid of it. I'm going to get rid of it, at least like half of it. That's unusual. Yeah, I'll put Kapton tape here. Actually, I'm going to remodel it completely. I don't like it at all. Let's get rid of it. So the problem right here, so if somebody assembling it, like touching it, bent it inside, bent it No, I'll take it back. No, this is like plastic. No, this is plastic, inexpensive motor. Yeah, I want to cut that thing off. Yeah, I'll take it back. I thought, for a second, I thought it's like metal part of the motor frame. No, 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 no. I'll take it back. Yeah, we should be good. We should be good. Now with Kapton tape, I can perfectly secure the whole thing. Put my wires. Yeah, wires management, that's big deal for me, because I'm repairing also as well, and it's very, if it's not properly done, it's hard to do. Yeah, that will do it. So let's turn those wires here. Boy, they stiff, man. This is like solid. Oh, I don't remember. I use one of those, like a single copper wire or something. Wow. Okay, Kapton tape. Time for Kapton tape. The nice part of those also finger gloves, they're not leaving any residue at all, like your fingerprints, you know. It's good. Okay, let me see a little bit extra. Don't need it. That's my plan. So one piece to the motor, going down, putting those wires kind of here, and that's good deal. Good job, Alex. And finishing on the other side under the motor here, under that supporting assembly. Bingo. See? Very nice. Let's go monster camera. Try to read your comment. Font's a little bit small, but it's okay. Can make it a little bit bigger. Control plus. Oh, I don't think so. I understand the word. That's that's why. Okay, so show you real quick, guys, the monster camera view, side camera. Bam. I'm not used to it yet. So see, so both sides here, it's the same idea. That small cut on the board, but I did it. You can check it here. It's just perfectly flat. That's what we need. So the board means the wires not touching the board and bending and completely messing around everything. So we good here. Make sure no extra wires touching your flying wheels. We're good. Good here. I'm using those zip locks. Nice. Yeah, nothing touching here, nothing touching around this area. Okay, so we're good. Constructive criticism. Oh, criticism. Oh man, I got it. Yeah. Right, means the idea is great. Yeah, and this is Kapton tape. It sticks to like clear surface, and that's it, done. Right, the construction is great. Why it's not executed properly with like those stiff wires, you know, and it's supposed to be done with some kind of that's what I'm using, those microcrystal clear or something. Yes, but it's time they have a different It's always some different technology, you know, with those compounds or whatever. Means when it's assembled, it just my 10 cents because I'm doing it a lot. All right, we're good. Camera, top camera, boom. All right, so all good. Before I'm going to put together, I'm going to test it no matter what. So nice short test stamp. I just need the read address because we're not gonna get lights. Lights, no, not at all. All right. Don't need a. Okay. Oh, I can use this. Programming track. All good. This is old Marklin stand. I think they're still manufacturing. I don't know what's Marklin doing right now, but I think they're still manufacturing them. But that's nice. Metal construction, very nice. F8 program direct address. If you see, it's kind of moving. Zip ties, yeah. Zip locks. I said zip locks. Zip ties, yeah. Thanks. Yeah, address 3 on my lens. Hand throttle, we're good. All right. Theoretically, I can even run it just, you know. That's that sound of the from the factory for testing only. ESU. So forward, reverse. See, very smooth. Speed step 1, very nice. Then I'll put it on this guy, and not this one. I have a longer one. This is just like save space. Okay, we should be good. It's oiled and it's all good to go. So what's the Houston usually saying? All lights are green or system good to go or something? Yeah. We're assembling, guys, right now. And again, I cannot wait. Maybe next week. I don't want to promise, but next week looks like I'm going to use one decoder body. Okay, make sure the key, it's not gonna rotate, or the wire's stiff too, but just in case, be careful. Sorry if you're not seeing, guys, I barely see it myself, so I'll just start it. I think I need another camera over my head or something. Yeah, so starting like that. Okay. That's it. Decoder body should take care. Those GST a little bit history now. Okay, we're good. Like I did it before. Just make sure no wires on the way. Slowly, no rush. Yeah, with the speaker wire a little bit messing around, but that's okay. Just, yeah, we're good. Double check. I can see nothing on the other side. Yeah. And see the nice part? Right here. Because of Kapton tape holding that, I will have trouble. I guarantee you. I knew it. I will have like really trouble if I didn't do that cable management properly. Yeah. Okay. Just in case, before putting couplers in another test. That's how I'm always working, testing every single step so that avoid any trouble. It should be light. Works. both directions. Okay. I have a separate programming track. It just for the video. I'm showing you on this stand. I have like on the second shelf on top, separate programming track, not messing around, and double throw, double pole switch. Boom, done. Nice clean install. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so again, the light is good, and the other light is great as well. Yeah, it's just a funny little bitty sound. Okay, now also I tried to do this like virtual reality. let's see if it's working. Side camera, you see the monster, also monster. So I'm taking in my hands. There is no stabilization, but here I go. Virtual reality. Pretty good. Yeah. So just need to play. Yeah. With it. All right. Good deal. Virtual reality. Okay, switching camera, because later what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut those videos and use I want to establish Patreon, because I know you guys want to support me, but I just don't want to get some money from you and not give you anything back. That will be like very short, quick installation. Maybe I'll put like different voice over, so I spend maybe like a couple of hours to do montage of the video and just voice over for very short cuts, probably 5 to 7 minute like short video. Okay, well, we're done for right now. Let's put camera. Looks good. Not really necessary. Ah, yeah, I can actually run it back and forth just for a couple of. Yeah, see? Nice. Perfect. Yeah, done. I'll program and I'll make like nice video with side camera here on that test stand, on the bigger test stand, how it's running. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Put my camera back. That's my magnifying glass and light too, so I can rotate. Thanks for watching, supporting business and the channel. I'll see you soon. I think I have another. I think maybe I'll do a like short video. I'm not sure. So see you soon again. Have a good one. Bye bye.